Welcome to CICPowerbox.com. My name is Morgan Windsor. I'm assuming you probably found us on Facebook or YouTube. Well, I'm glad you joined us here today because now you're going to get the full run-through on the entire CIC Powerbox family. The CIC Powerbox delivers 115 volts of AC power at 2,000 continuous watts and 4,000 watt peak. This allows you to run tools like circle saws, electric impacts, grinders, external lights, charge lithium-ion battery packs, and much more. The built-in air capabilities include a 125 psi oilless air compressor system accompanied by a 3-gallon air reserve and a 25-foot retractable air hose. Providing 4 CFM at 90 psi, you can run pneumatic tools such as half-inch air impacts, air jacks, and 16-penny nail guns. With an average cycle time of only 74 seconds, you could air up a standard tractor tire in less than 10 minutes and remove a standard truck tire in less than 60 seconds. For those big jobs, the CIC Powerbox also features an auxiliary air coupler for an additional air tank. The Jumpstart provides 2100 cold cranking amps of 12-volt jumpstart capability. This system works down to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making even the cold weather jumpstarts a breeze. Upgrades are available such as safety lighting, rock box stereos, spare air tanks, 1-gauge jumper cable extensions, mounting brackets for flatbeds, smart chargers, and much more. So how does it work? The CIC Powerbox patented design allows for a simple install process by hooking up to any 12-volt vehicle through 2 wires, one to the positive terminal on the battery and one to the vehicle's chassis for negative grounding. The CIC Powerbox has an integrated Smart Connect circuit that will automatically connect to the vehicle when it is running to charge the Powerbox while you drive. Additionally, the Smart Circuit allows you to self-jumpstart your own vehicle with the simple flip of an emergency jumpstart switch. CIC Powerbox works with virtually any 12-volt vehicle and requires no alterations to the engine or the alternator. The CIC Powerbox product line is made in the USA with only the highest quality components. All of our Powerboxes provide air, electric, and jumpstart capabilities in different capacities. Your toolbox options include Delta Pro Champion Series crossovers, Super Deep crossovers, and chest-style boxes. We also offer totally portable tote-style Go boxes. All Powerboxes come in bright aluminum with black powder coat as an optional upgrade. Other custom paints available at an additional cost. If you are looking to buy a portable generator or portable air compressor, you need to seriously consider the benefits and savings of owning a Powerbox. In comparison, a 2,000 watt generator at a full workload can run you up to over $3,000 a year in fuel and maintenance costs. Compare that to the one-time purchase cost of a CIC Powerbox. Over a 5-year time span, your savings would exceed $10,000. With a life expectancy of the average Powerbox battery being between 5 and 10 years, the CIC Powerbox will continue to save you time and money for years to come. And of course, a Powerbox provides far more than just silent and emission-free AC power. Consider all the other benefits the CIC Powerbox provides at no extra cost, such as air power, jumpstart capabilities, storage, security, and of course, peace of mind that wherever you go, you will go with power. At CIC Powerbox, we have taken innovative technology to the next level, introducing for the first time ever the 24-volt CIC Powerbox. This Powerbox has all the same capabilities as the standard Powerbox, but has the ability to convert your 12-volt jumpstart to 24-volt jumpstart. These systems are currently being utilized by the U.S. Army to jumpstart M1 Abrams tanks, Humvees, and other 24-volt vehicles. NATO slave cables are even available now for military use. We are now offering to the commercial industry the 24-volt CIC Powerbox to be used on job sites for heavy equipment such as D9 dozers, large track excavators, earth movers, and more. Additionally, the Powerbox can run a 24-volt welder capable of welding half-inch plate steel that we will provide for an additional cost. The 24-volt Powerbox comes complete with a super bright LED construction safety strobe, 1-gauge jumper cables, quick disconnect hookup, and a security operator lock and key. Well, we hope you guys now have a better understanding of what this revolutionary product can do for you. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by phone or email, or check out our FAQs page. We're still offering financing and free shipping to the lower 48 states, as well as discounted shipping to Canada and multi-unit discounts for all you fleets out there. So what are you waiting for? Hop onto our store, build your own CIC Powerbox today, or contact us and we'll develop a free quote with no obligation. And remember, wherever you go, go with power.